Hello, if you want to customize your apps menu on Apple Watch 10, for sure you can do this by clicking and holding one of the icons. So let's do this with the calendar. And now when you feel vibration and all of these icons start shaking, it means that you can actually remove them or simply replace position. So if you want to remove, like, for example, this bedtime icon, you will have to just click on the X. And now, as you can see, you can just delete this application. But if you want to actually replace, like, let's say that you want to get settings right here on the calendar place, just click and hold it, and then wait a minute, we have to just select this. There we go. And now, as you can see, we can simply replace wherever you want, almost wherever you want. There we go. That's how we can do this. But as you can see, sometimes it's not working, so we will have to like start by using this icon that appears on the middle of the list, because I was trying to do this with settings before, but it wasn't working. But right now it's working again, so never mind. But if you have the same issue, that's how you can actually bypass this. And now if you want to finish, you can just click on any of the icon or simply click the crown control button. That will be all, and thanks for watching.